Namaskaram. We are delighted to announce that now you can receive the RUDRAKSHA Prasadam this year. These Rudraksh were consecrated by Sadhguru on mahashivratri of 2025. Distribution of Rudraksh has been an integral part of Sadhguru's vision that everyone must experience at least 1% of spirituality in this lifetime. Many of you who were eagerly waiting for registration this year to receive Rudraksh, we have a news for you that this year onwards, Rudraksha Prasadam is being offered free of cost at Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore. This way, you can not only receive the grace of Adiyogi, but also receive Rudraksh and sit in the presence of Dhyanlinga. Here are some glimpses of people receiving Rudraksh.
Namaskaram. What's happening here? We're giving Rudraksh to everyone coming here.
Rudra means Shiva. Aksha means teardrops. Rudraksh are the teardrops of Shiva, the tears of ecstasy that dribbled from his eyes. Wearing a Rudraksh can have several benefits like it supports your physical and mental balance. It supports your meditation. Wearing a Rudraksh cleanses your aura. Rudraksh can also protect you from negative energies. The Rudraksh that you receive as Prasadam here is a Panchmukhi Rudraksh. Panchmukhi or five-faced bead is safe and good for everyone, whether it's man, woman or children. It is for general well-being, health and freedom. It has health benefits like it lowers your blood pressure, calms your nerves and brings a certain calmness and alertness in your nervous system. How to get free Rudraksh Prasadam? This sacred Rudraksh, which was consecrated by Sadhguru during Mahashivratri, has been distributed to seekers visiting Isha Yoga Center, totally free of cost. You just need to visit Sadhguru's ashram at Isha Yoga Center at Coimbatore. All visitors are being given this Rudraksh Prasadam. So get double benefits of visiting this consecrated space of Isha Yoga Center and also receiving the sacred Rudraksh, that too free of cost. Please make use of this opportunity provided by Sadhguru. Receive Adiyogi's grace by receiving Rudraksh Prasadam. Hope this information helps. Don't miss this opportunity. Namaskaram.